Hello viewers, I welcome you all to Tiwatoke bag. Today I want to teach you how to make use of your snap button, how to fix your snap button. The tools you will be needing is your grooming machine. You need the dies, then you need the snap buttons and whatever you are placing it on. Your punch, you will need size 3 mm. This is the punch here. You are using size 3 mm, or if you have anyone that is smaller than that. Here now, let's assume this is what you are fixing on. After getting wherever you want to place your snap button, let's assume I'm having a wallet here. I'm placing it on a wallet or a bag in this shape. I make sure I centralize wherever I want to punch my hole, and I've done that, as you can see. Now here, this one will go here, then this will go here. Now this one now is for this. So this part, these two now is for one side, then this other one, this one here is for the second side. So now I will fix. You can see whatever you are fixing on is like this. This at the top, the one that will be at the top, because of this smooth place, you can see this one doesn't have the smooth place. This one will be the one inside, then this will be the one outside. This, you can see what I did. I'll just place this one here now. Then in my dies, I'll check for the ones that is bigger. You can see the mouth of this is different from this. This is somehow wider, so this is what I will use for this one. I'll make sure this round part is sitting here. You can see. Then I will gently eat it. So this is what I have. Then this part, I will have to remove this and replace it with the other side, the other dies. I'll place it, then gently. You have to be very careful with this. You make sure the teeth, you make sure this sharp teeth here is touching, is inside this hole. You make sure this thing is here too. You make sure is entering this hole. Then I'll eat gently to have a smooth edge. So now you can clip together. You can see the two is clipped together. So that is how to fix your snap button. Now next video I will be showing you how to fix your eyelets. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe for my YouTube channel.